Yo, what's up guys? It's Matt here with Mind from Mercer, and today we're just going to be showing you guys how to go through and make a self-love mason jar. So we actually have our self-love workshop coming up this Thursday, February 18th at 6:30. However, if you're unable to attend in person, we'll have online platforms for you all. So I guess without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial. Alrighty, so for this tutorial, so some of the things that you will need, but you don't necessarily have to have, it's just how decorative you want to make your mason jar. So some of the supplies that you may need is, of course, first you need to have your mason jar for your affirmations to go inside and to decorate. Second, we just have some colorful copy paper to be able to write down the affirmations about yourself or your loved ones, and also to be able to decorate the mason jar as well. It would also be helpful to have just some markers to be able to kind of make your mason jar a little more festive and decorative. Also too, I have included just some ribbon to kind of put around the outside of the mason jar. Just have some, I guess, pink and stripes and then this plant pink ribbon. In addition to that, we have some stickers, some nice kind of jewel heart stickers. Got these in pink and also in red, and just some glue and some scissors. And so you may be wondering just how much all this stuff may cost. I actually got most of the stuff from the Dollar Tree, so it's not going to be costing too much money or anything like that. You can find pretty much everything here at the Dollar Tree. But like I said, you don't necessarily have to have all these things to be able to make an affirmation jar. You can just have a mason jar, or you can just even have a journal to write your affirmations in, and just follow along with us as we're doing it in person on Thursday. So yeah, all right, let's hop into the build. I just present my final product. Just have a decorated jar. Inside, you open up the lid. It says "Love Yourself," my initials. Nothing too crazy. Open it up. Got my affirmations inside. Probably have about like 6 or 7 of them. Do as many as you like. So yeah. So I guess for everybody who's not going to be able to attend the in-person session, I will have a link and a QR code for the Zoom at the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and peace.